So I've been shooting film for approximately 500 days now. I wanted to shoot film for a couple of years, but was still figuring out more about analog and how the process works in functioning a film camera. Once I watched enough film photographers on YouTube, I was on the hunt for a film camera. I technically had one, but it was not working, so I ended up buying the Canon Elan 2E, which made sense because one, it was affordable. Two, it gave the option of using automatic and manual. And three, I was already in the Canon ecosystem, but I did end up buying the Canon 40mm 2.8 pancake lens to make it more lightweight and fake it like a point and shoot camera. I get my film developed at a place called Pro Labs. It's like 20 minutes away from me, and the lady there does a really great job with the negatives. From 2020 until now, I have taken this camera with me everywhere. I shot a bunch of places, things, even people. Pair it up with the right lens, you can capture some great portraits. I created a bunch of memories with this camera, and I hope to create more.